Hey, it's Tuesday, which means it's our Tuesday tips of the week. My name is Emmanuel Osaseri, your online personal trainer and wellness coach. And today's Tuesday tip is about the power of routine. I lost my voice a little bit because I was hanging out with a friend. It was his birthday yesterday, a great friend of mine, and I ended up staying out a lot later than I used to. But what I want to talk about is where I'm going right now, which is the gym this Sunday morning. And I've been working out on Sundays for at least the last 6 months. It's just a part of my routine now. And if I didn't have this routine in place, I would still be in bed. But because this routine is so ingrained in me, I don't have to use any willpower to get up and go to the gym, even if I went to sleep late last night, even if I feel like crap. And that's the power of habit. That's the power of routine. To have something in place no matter what your day consists of or how you feel in the morning, you're already on this cycle, already on this loop. I'm literally driving to the gym without thinking because my body clock is just that strong. Sunday morning means gym time, bis and tris or shoulders or whatever it is I'm working for the day. And so I just want to encourage you guys, get into the power of habit, because when you have these days where you feel like crap and don't feel like going to the gym, that's where it comes into handy. You do not want to depend on willpower. Otherwise, you'll start to reason your way out of working out. So that's today's Tuesday tip, guys. That's simple. Just get into the power of habit and routine and see what it does for you. And as usual, I had a blast making this video for you guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, tap that subscribe button. Good luck on your fitness journey. Let's do this again sometime.